is the time, my dear Pasinos, that we will show the entire Philippines the face of Pasig City in the entire country.
Sweet city, sweet people with fire in our eyes. United we rise onward to greater heights. Sweet city, sweet people with fire in our eyes. United we rise.
Sweet city in the heart of Panay. Today, I will take you on a short journey in my hometown's history, significant people, geography, and rich culture. Pasig is considered to be one of the oldest Spanish settlements in Iloilo. It was organized as a pueblo in 1766 with Don Martin Saligumba as its first gobernadorcillo. It was settled by three Malay brothers named Digon, Tokyab, and Dumawang long before the arrival of the Spaniards. Their first formal community was located on the site presently occupied by the Roman Catholic Church. According to popular legend, Spanish conquistadors stumbled on a small hut by the river's bank, where an old woman was found winnowing pounded rice. One of them asked her, "¿Cómo se llama este lugar?" Not knowing the native language, of course. Much to the old woman's surprise, perhaps excitement, she replied without much ado, "Ah, Pasig," which means some of the unhusked rice on her basket. She must have thought that they were eager to know what was in the basket and what was she was doing, because she did not understand their language. From that time, the Spanish began to call the place Pasig at first, until it was later evolved into Pasig. On January 30, 1998, Republic Act No. 8469 was signed by President Fidel V. Ramos, an act converting the municipality of Pasig in the province of Iloilo into a component city to be known as the City of Pasig. Lieutenant Albert Palek Perlas was born on May 5, 1920 at Pasig, Iloilo. At the age of 22, he led a group of Ilonggo guerrillas in the first ambush on the island of Panay by the Free Panay Guerrilla Forces Unit against the Japanese combatants on board a train bound for Iloilo City at the railway station of Barangay Bitaogan, Pasig, Iloilo, in the afternoon of August 25, 1942. Situated in central Panay Island, Pasig City lies approximately 50 kilometers north of Iloilo City and 66 kilometers south of Roa City. According to the census, it has a population of 79,663 people. It has a total land area of 25,139 hectares, making up 5.39% of the provincial land area of Iloilo. Its relatively flat land stretches alongside the Halaor and Lamunan rivers. Pasig City is divided into 51 barangay, comprising 38 rural barangays and 13 urban barangays. Pasig is a rice and sugar-rich area. It is only the component city and the largest in the province of Iloilo in terms of land area, population, and income. It is popularly called the Sweet City in the heart of Panay due to its vast pineapple plantations and annual output in fruit production. The topography of Pasig is relatively dominated by rolling hills and narrow valley plains, with substantial surface and groundwater, with no distinct dry and wet season, which is suitable for a wide range of agricultural products like rice, sugarcane, and pineapple. Pintados de Pasig Festival is an annual celebration in March. It foretells Pasig pre-Spanish history from battles, epics, and folk religion. Spaniards came to central Panay and found in the area heavily tattooed men and women, whom they called pintados. They had a culture of their own, commemorating victories by holding festivals and honoring their gods after a bountiful harvest. The Pintados de Pasig Festival served as the last bastion of unbroken tradition and tattooing in Panay. Kinaraya is the most dominant language spoken in Pasig City. English is also used as language of business and education. In addition, other local dialects such as Hiligaynon is also spoken. Acharang Piña, a uniquely Pasinhon delicacy made from grated ripe pineapple mixed with carrots, chili, onion, garlic, sugar, and salt. Binukbok nga balinghoy, Pasig-specific version of linubak nga balinghoy or mashed cassava. It is distinct for its use of alumpiran leaves. The Pasig City Sports Complex is one of the newly built infrastructures of Pasig City. It serves as a venue for various athletic activities, sports competitions, and community gatherings. Recently, it also hosted the Western Visayas Athletic Association meet, bringing together athletes from different provinces in the region. The Railway Bridge, a historical bridge witnessing hundreds of Filipinos beheaded by the Japanese soldiers when soldiers and plain civilians were caught and suspected as members or supporters of the guerrilla forces.